Hi, I'm Hans Ekeby, sound engineer at ReaSoundly. Today I'm very excited to show you some new updates and there's a new REAPER version out. Have you heard about REAPER? Okay. Are you sitting down? REAPER, it's the best DAW in the whole world. Alright? I think it's actually the best program that has been ever made of all the programs. I have to show you, I think. Now I download the latest version, okay? You ready? Already done. 15 megabytes. The whole DAW is only 15 megabytes. How big is your DAW? Alright, let's install it. Okay, just a moment. There we go. Now we're loading. And we're in. Did you see how fast that went? Let me show you something that is really unique to REAPER. There's many things unique to REAPER, but let me show you one thing. So I open up ReaSoundly, that's an app, and I'm gonna import some really cool sounds here. That's a stereo mono, 4-channel audio. Do you see that? 1 stereo, 1 mono, 1 quad, and 1 3-channel audio recording on the same track. Huh? They are different lengths here, right? You just press 2 buttons, choose 1 sec. Now they are 1 sec. Every item is 1 sec. This is the advanced item reposition. Check this out. Put on real-time mode, then I can. Whoa! You see the wiggle? Let's open up the radial menu. Depending on where I am with the mouse. Why is not that working now? Ah, so many shortcuts to remember. But I also have a script for that, and I can make a crossfades really fast. Oh yeah! The jog function, a scrub function. REAPER is founded by Justin Frankel. Picture of him. He's one hell of a guy. Say hello, Justin. Hello. New version, always in something new, right? Preserve metadata while rendering media items. Includes future branch, envelope list, window improvements, support non-SMPTE points and looping for sign experimenting and amazing. It's a big update as well. Oh my god. I was just a REAPER joke. You wouldn't get it. Before, it was a limit of 10,000 scripts in REAPER. Why is it not possible to have more? So I asked on the forum, can you increase it? And yeah, they could. So now I have 14,679 scripts. Can you see? This is all scripts. I have scripts for envelopes, selecting items, play rate control, envelopes, onto envelopes, shuffle items. I have script for my alarm clock, light switches, coffee machine, and I also have a script that delivers my taxes. I ran out of buttons for my shortcuts, so I had to expand a bit. You know, I don't even need to use the mouse anymore. Everything is just a click away. Let's open a new project. All I have to do is I opened all the FX windows instead of opening new projects. I like waiting sometimes. It takes about 35 minutes. Okay, so another great thing about
What the f***, Hans? Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I'm not seeing Soundly on the monitor.
No.
You should be talking about Soundly. This is a Soundly video.
Yeah.
It's been 6 hours. Get it done. Get it done, Hans.
Psst. Psst. Hans! Hey, buddy!
Hey, Justin.
You know you can delete him, right? Just create a script and whoosh! He's gone.
I don't know.
He doesn't appreciate us. He doesn't appreciate REAPER. Delete him, Hans. Do it.
Okay. Let's do it.
Yes. Beautiful. Do it! Do it!
It's done.
Excellent! Now, release the killer robot.
No, please. Not again. So many people died last time.
Do it, Hans!
I can't. Please don't make me do it again. They're innocent people.
You don't need other people. You only need REAPER. No one else cares for you the same way I do. No one!
You're right. I don't need anybody else. So anyways, that's Reaper. It's great.
But what about Soundly? Soundly?
Oh, Soundly.
Yeah, you were supposed to do a ReaSoundly tutorial.
Hi, I'm Hans from Soundly. Welcome to the ReaSoundly integration tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, so first go to reaper.fm. You probably already have Reaper, but I don't know why you wouldn't, but if not, you need to download it. Okay, not today apparently. So to install ReaSoundly, that's very easy. You just click on ReaSoundly as your spot target, and then when you try to spot the sound, it will prompt you to install ReaSoundly. So here you click close. Nah, I'm just kidding. You click install. Now it should say it's installed successfully. Just click OK and restart Reaper. Okay, let's have some fun. All right, I'm selecting a bunch of segments and I click spot to Reaper, and then I get a lot of options how I want to import the sounds. Spot sequentially, spot vertically, import vertical and sequentially, and you can also import them as takes. And when you import them as takes, you don't have to decide on which you like the most, you can always change them later. And you also have the import as lanes. Let's go to another cool thing, the post actions. So after I have selected the way I want to import them, I get the second post page up. The post actions are different actions which are predefined by Soundly, but also you have the possibility to add your own. For this demonstration, I'll pick the normalize function and then I press OK to normalize them to peak. Alright, so another really cool feature is the place items to markers. Let me show you. So I go to Reaper, I play back everything in slow motion, and I use my shortcut to place some markers. Alright, so heading back to Soundly. So I select 5 segments that I want to use for the clip. I press send, and then I import them first sequentially, and then I run the action align selected items to project markers in time selection, and boom! They're all there, synced to my markers. And of course, it's possible to make your own custom actions and import to the post script page. It's Reaper, you know, everything is possible. So to create your own action, you click on the settings wheel, you press the plus sign down to the left here under actions, you click on the button add actions to find the action that you would like to import. Give the action a name and press the back button to save. And now you can call this action whenever you want. If you think that ReaSoundly spams you too much, you can set some default behaviors. So for example, when spotting multiple sounds from Soundly, you can set them to always import them as takes. Ooh, I almost forgot this one, the find similar script. Let us add that action to the toolbar. Right-click somewhere in your toolbar, click customize. Customize, such a beautiful word. Then click add, search for the action, find similar, press select and close. Right-click on the action you just added, click set icon, search for find similar, click on the find similar icon, and press OK. Boom! Now you can do like this. Select any sound in your Reaper session, and press the find similar icon in the toolbar. Voila! There are, of course, many more things to explore in ReaSoundly, but you have to figure out those yourself. I'm out. Have a great day.